If I could show you how to have an extra $2,000 or more in your pocket at the end of 1 year, just for doing about an hour worth of work, would you subscribe to my channel? So folks, this is real stuff. 3 easy steps, and hopefully I can save you as much money as what I'm looking to save. Number 1, let's look at car insurance. There's a fantastic website out there called rates.ca. Used to be known as kinetics.ca, but they changed names. The point is that you can go onto this website, put in information for you and your family, whoever drives in the house, put in all your car information, your address, and it'll spit out a bunch of quotes for car insurance that compares many different car insurance companies across Canada. Now, when I did this, I'm going to show you the actual real results for me and my wife on our 2 cars with the type of driving that we do. And I will show you here that our current insurance, we're paying $4,261. Now take a look at this. The cheapest quote that came out came from Aviva, a very reputable insurance company. And they actually came out with $2,597 per year on an apples to apples comparison. Now this is unbelievable. I'm kind of upset and happy at the same time because I can't believe how much I've been overpaying. So, and the perfect part is that my insurance comes up for renewal in June, so I don't have to worry about paying any cancellation fee, as long as I let my insurance company know that I want to cancel with them and start with the other one as of my renewal date. So again, Aviva gave me $2,597. The other company that I'm with right now, $4,261. That's a total savings of $1,664. That's unbelievable. So that's step 1, which shouldn't take that long to actually do. And for you to have some extra money in your pocket instead of some insurance company. So in my case, again, it's $1,664. Now let's look at other ways we could save money. Well, this one I call subscription creep. Basically, before we know it, we're signing up for this subscription or that subscription. And in this case, I'm specifically talking about TV. We spend a lot of time, well, I shouldn't say we, I spend a lot of time, more than I should, watching TV. And my plan is to limit that because it gets to be too much. And there's other better things that you could be doing, like, of course, watching my videos. Anyway, if we take a look at what, for example, Rogers charges me for basic cable, that's about $25 a month. Then I look at what Disney Plus charges me, which I also have. That's another $120 a year. Then I look at Amazon Prime membership, and that's about $99 a year. So now I'm saving about $520 per year. And of course, I'll keep Netflix because, you know, I do have to have my downtime and I do like binge watching some shows once in a while. Now, just before we get to step 3, which is kind of like a bonus step, please comment down below if you've tried doing what I did and it ends up saving you money. I'd really love to hear on how much money you were able to save when you do your car insurance quote, or if you look at your subscriptions, if you have all the ones that I have and how much you're going to save on that, or if you have any other ideas that you'd like to share with everyone on little things that you might have done or thought of to save money as well. Now, on to step 3. Now, this one is quite simple. You know, they talk about the latte effect, and essentially, if you compare even just something simple like grabbing a coffee and a bagel. So this is me really putting in an order, pretending that I'm about to order it. And as you can see here, the bagel is $2.25 at Starbucks, and the coffee, just a regular brewed coffee, $2.65. Total tax included, $5.54. If we take the same thing and get the same everything bagel at Tim Hortons for $1.59 plus a medium coffee for $1.83, we get a grand total, including tax, of $3.59. If we take that $1.95 savings, multiply it by 3 days a week, we get $5.85. And if you multiply it by 52 weeks in a year, you get an extra $304.20 in your pocket. Now, as they say, a penny saved is better than a penny earned. Well, first of all, who's they? But anyway, the reason why they say that is because if you save $2,500, if you think about it, well, you truly save that $2,500. Whereas if you make $2,500, you have to pay taxes on that. And therefore, you end up actually with less money. So really, saving $2,500 like this, if you're in, let's say, a 30% income tax bracket, is essentially the equivalent of making over $3,500 per year. So think of it as an extra little bonus to yourself. Even comparing something simple like having a coffee and a bagel for take 8.